I just wanted to learn, wanted to get it done. I wanted to learn for like 4 years now, and then the opportunity presented itself, and there was no excuse for me not to come here. I'm Nero. I'm from Rhode Island, and I'm trying to learn everything about wrap that I can so I can start my own business. I've had a few wrapped cars myself, and I've been around it for a while, and it's always interested me, and it looks so much fun, and just being here for the last 3 days, I've been hands-on, and it's been a lot of fun. I did some research. The local classes for vinyl, I said, were like 40 people. I'm not sure what I was gonna learn here. I mean, there's like 6 of us, so it's pretty easy to get the help that you need. And I looked into it, and I heard about it when I was at a dealership. The salesman I go through wants to be a detailer, and he was like, yeah, you know, I'm probably gonna go to Rightlook. They teach you all that. I was like, wow, that's pretty sick. And then he said, yeah, they do vinyl wrap, and I was like, wow. So went online that night, and they had a class during my spring break. I got into a contact with David here, and he told me all about it, and I booked it right away. A lot of people are like, when I said I was going to San Diego, they're like, you're going to San Diego for that? But I travel, I have family in Vegas, and I used to go to school in Arizona, so coming over here isn't really that much of an obstacle, and I just wanted to learn, wanted to get it done. I wanted to learn for like 4 years now, and then the opportunity presented itself, and there was no excuse for me not to come here. It all worked out, all the stars aligned. I really didn't know what to expect. I kind of thought we were gonna get right into it, like, okay guys, this is how you wrap, but then we were in the class learning. I took all the notes so I can go home and help myself later on, but it was nice to learn like the thickness of like wraps and like what wraps to use for certain scenarios and like how to properly, you know, use vinyl as an installer. I knew about like 3M, Avery, and the wrap companies and like the differences between that, but I never really had hands-on. So right away, when we were doing the corners and just learning how to get our hands dirty with it, yeah, it was after the first day, I was like, wow, I'm gonna learn a lot. And like, I was like, 3 days, like that's so quick. But me being here, I'm literally ready to go home and just wrap cars now. I'm so excited. It's nice to know that you can do vinyl for more than just appearances, because not everyone does this to their car. So you can do multiple things business-wise for this, and that's what really excited me about it. Ruben, he makes it look really easy. I mean, he is so good at it, and if I have any questions, he's able to answer it. He gives great advice. And it's really nice having him by your side when trying to learn all this, because it is a lot to take in, I won't lie. I did watch YouTube videos before coming here, and none of them even remotely give you the information that he gives you. It's nice seeing everyone else learn and learn from their mistakes if they mess up, or just getting our hands on, it's really nice. And for Ruben being able to show us what to do step by step, and having everyone else here when I mess up or learning doesn't make me feel so bad because everyone else is in the same shoes. My dream, if I just had a huge shop, I'd want like a body shop at one part, this at another part, and just anything involving cars essentially. It's been a great experience since David called me on the phone and I booked it, and I'm really glad I did it. Once you do it, you won't look back. I mean, I'm not even done with the course. I'm literally, as I said, I'm ready to go home and just wrap cars. And if you're looking to do it, just do it. What do you have to lose? You're gonna gain a bunch of information.